Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your first sale on Etsy. First, focus on finding your unique niche. Research what's selling well, but also where you can offer something distinct. Your shop name and banner are your first impression, so make them professional and inviting. Don't forget to fill out all your shop sections, especially your policies and about page. This builds crucial trust with potential buyers, making them more comfortable with their first purchase from you. Next, let's talk about optimizing your product listings. High-quality photos are absolutely essential. Aim for at least 5 clear images per item, showing different angles and how the product looks in use. Your titles and tags are how customers find you, so use strong, relevant keywords. Finally, write detailed descriptions that highlight the benefits, materials, and precise dimensions, like 8 inches by 10 inches, to answer all potential buyer questions upfront. Now, let's get your shop seen. Actively promote your listings across social media platforms such as Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. Consistent sharing can significantly boost visibility. You might also consider a small Etsy ads campaign. Even a modest daily budget of $5 to $10 can help new products gain traction. Offering an introductory discount, perhaps 10% off, or a small freebie with initial orders, can be a fantastic incentive for those first few sales. Finally, providing excellent customer service is key to repeat business and positive reviews. Always respond to inquiries quickly, ideally within 24 hours, to show you're attentive. Package your items with care, ensuring they arrive safely, and include a personalized thank you note. It adds a lovely touch. A positive experience naturally encourages buyers to leave a review, which is incredibly valuable for attracting future customers and building your shop's reputation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.